Hello everybody! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're here with another story. It is called The Little Ice Cream Truck.
Story by Margery Cuyler and illustrated by Bob Kolar. Let's begin!
I'm a little ice cream truck. My driver's name is Lou. Ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling. We're headed to the zoo. I'm a little ice cream truck. Lou plays a jingly tune. Pop goes the weasel. I see a red balloon. I'm a little ice cream truck. Lou drives me to the park. Boys and girls come running. The dogs begin to bark. I'm a little ice cream truck. The kids start lining up, smiling, leaping, shouting, vanilla in a cup. I'm a little ice cream truck with signs on front and rear. Caution! Children crossing, look both ways, stay clear. I'm a little ice cream truck. Rose gets a berry crunch. Bob buys a lemon ice. Jose a cookie munch. I'm a little ice cream truck. We have so many treats. Milkshakes, cones, and bomb pops, fudgesicles, ices, sweets. I'm a little ice cream truck. I'm rented for events, celebrations, birthdays, big parties under tents. I'm a little ice cream truck. We're off to Lilac Lane. Happy birthday, Tony! Let's hope it doesn't rain. I'm a little ice cream truck. The guests are having fun. Licking, laughing, singing. Tony's turning 1. I'm a little ice cream truck. We watch a baseball game. The players take a break, excited that we came. I'm a little ice cream truck. It's just another day. I make the children happy. I love my job. Hooray! The end. So we hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.